How to delete someone's fake Instagram account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch your Instagram application in your device. Make sure to log in into your Instagram account. Now over here, tap on the search icon to search for the person's fake page or an ID. Once you have found the page, go ahead and tap on it. Once you are in the fake account, what you need to do is at the top right corner, you will see the three dot icon, tap on it, then select the option of report. After that, you can select if you want to report a specific post or something about this account, go ahead and select for the particular option. Then you can select the option of they are pretending to be someone else. Then if it's you, tap on me, or someone you know, just tap on someone else. After this, you need to find and select on the person who they are impersonating. After this, there is a high chance that the fake account will be taken down by Instagram. But the particular account need to be reported as much as possible. Only one or two reports will not act up Instagram to remove an account. So make sure you share it with your friends or your known ones to report the particular account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.